In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines in TradingView. This skill is fundamental for any trader or analyst looking to visualize patterns and trends effectively. We'll start with the basics, and as we go along, I'll also share some tips and tricks to ensure you're maximizing the potential of these tools. To begin, let's focus on selecting the right tool. On the TradingView interface, you'll find a variety of line tools, and for the purpose of drawing a basic trend line, you'll want to look for it in the toolbar, typically located in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on this trend line tool to get started. Once you've selected the tool, it's time to set your start point. Carefully examine your chart and identify where you'd like your line to begin. Click on the chart to mark this point. Next, drag your mouse to the location where you wish to end the line and click again. With these two clicks, you've created a basic line that could serve various analytical purposes. Precision is vital when drawing lines, especially if you want your analysis to be accurate. A simple trick is to hold down the Shift key while drawing. This action will snap your line to 0 degree, 45 degree, or 90 degree angles, ensuring geometric precision. Alternatively, if you aim to align your lines precisely with specific candle price levels, you can use the magnet tool. Activate the magnet tool, select your trend line tool again, and watch as it snaps to the precise open, high, low, or close prices, which can further enhance your analysis accuracy. Customizing the lines you've drawn can make a significant difference in how you interpret your charts. To customize, simply double-click on the line. This will open its settings, where you have the option to modify aspects such as color, opacity, and width. Additionally, you can extend your line further left or right, which allows it to stretch beyond the confines of your current chart view, providing a broader context. Now, let's explore some strategies for using these lines. One common use is identifying support and resistance levels. By connecting swing lows with a trend line, you might uncover potential support zones, whereas connecting swing highs could reveal resistance areas. These trend lines are not just static indicators, they can spotlight trading setups. For instance, if a price consistently bounces off a trend line, you may identify a buying opportunity upon its next approach. Conversely, if there's a break through a well-established trend line, it could indicate a trend reversal or a change in market direction. For more complex analysis, consider constructing trend channels. By drawing a parallel line to your trend line, you create a channel that can help you understand the price range within the trend. Additionally, TradingView offers an info line tool. This tool provides valuable data regarding the angle, bar count, and price range of your drawn line, further refining your analytical capability. By applying these techniques, you'll be better equipped to read the charts and understand market movements effectively. Happy trading!